Hey guys, I am really frustrated with DJI Action 5 Pro because the original accessories of DJI or the storage pouch or the different combos for the different use is not available in India, even in Amazon. We do have only two combos, standard and adventure combo, whereas in adventure combo only the set of accessories is available, not all the things or not even the spare accessories is not there. Actually, I need something to mount my Action 5 Pro to the cap, but I can't find any original accessories of DJI in Amazon India. In Amazon India, there are some local brands of accessories available for DJI Action 5 Pro. Actually, I have brought this mount screw from Amazon from the brand of Action Pro. It fits nice to the DJI Action 5 Pro. Actually, it works. Actually, I'm going to use this setup for wild bird hunting using slingshot, but it's not like the original accessories anyways. One request for DJI, please make every accessories of DJI Action Pro available in Amazon India at least. This is very useful for Indian creators to have the storage pouch original products from DJI. It must be safe for the camera while using it for the study. We should need that. So please make it available at least in Amazon for DJI Action 5 Pro. Stay tuned with Subrokers for more wild bird hunting videos upcoming next.